How to connect Printify to Squarespace. So here from the dashboard, I'll just click on my website, which will take me to my Squarespace website. Now, from the left-hand side, we want to choose the option for settings, which is the second to last option, and then go to third-party tools, and then choose the option for extensions. Discover and manage third-party extensions. Now, from this extensions page, we want to use the search bar, and we're simply going to search for Printify. And you will see this: create, sell, and ship custom products anywhere in the world. If I click on Printify, then from the left hand side, you will see the option to connect your accounts. So we're going to click on connect, and here, if we log in with our Printify account, then this will automatically connect Printify to our Squarespace website. So I hope this was helpful. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.